Dear students, welcome to Divya's Math Solutions. Today we are going to discuss Chapter 7 Integrals Exercise 7.3. Integrate Sin 4x Sin 8x. So here we are going to do the integration. So this is also in the form of Sin A Sin B. That means we can apply Sin A Sin B equation over here. So we know that Sin A Sin B equal to 1 by 2 cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. So this one we can do the integration. So I equal to integral sin 4x into sin 8x dx. That means integral 1 by 2 into cos of 4x minus 8x minus cos of 4x plus 8x dx. Instead of this, we can write sin 8x first and sin 4x second. Means here we can write 8x minus 4x and 8x plus 4x also. Anyway, here we will get cos of minus 2x. That means cos of minus theta is cos theta only, right? So this one 1 by 2 is a constant that we can write outside. Integral cos minus 2x minus cos 8 plus 4 is 12x dx. Next step, we can split the integral. So 1 by 2 cos of minus theta is cos theta. That means cos 2x dx minus integral cos 12x dx. So 1 by 2 integral cos x. Integral cos x is which one? Sin x only. So this is sin 2x. That means integral of cos x is over. Then what is remaining? 2x. Integral of 2x means we need to write divide by 2. So that means 2 is a constant. Integral of x is 1 minus this one. 4x minus 8x is 4. So 4x minus 8x is 4x. Here also 4x. That means sin 4x by 4. This one cos 12x is integral of cos 12x is sin 12x by 12 plus c, constant of integration. Now we can open the bracket. So sin 4x by 8 minus sin 12x by 12 into 2 is 24 plus c. Answer. Question number 8. Integrate 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. So 1 minus cos x and 1 plus cos x we can apply the equation. So 1 minus cos x means what? 2 sin square x by 2, right? So 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2 also we can write. So this integral we can write it as I equal to integral 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. We know that 1 minus cos x. 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. That means 1 minus cos 2x is sin square x only. Here it is half of the angle. That means 2 sin square x by 2 I can write equal to integral 2 sin square x by 2 divided by 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. 2 cos square x by 2 dx. So this 2 cancel. So what is remaining? Sin square x by 2 by cos square x by 2. Sin by cos. Sin by cos is what we can write? Tan square we can write. That means integral tan square x by 2 dx. Again, for integral tan square means there is no direct answer. But integral secant is there. Secant square is there, right? So this tan square theta means how we can write? Tan square theta equal to secant square theta minus 1 we can write, correct? Secant square theta minus 1. So instead of tan square theta what I can write? Secant square. Here theta means x by 2. Secant square x by 2 minus 1 dx. Now we can split the integral and apply the integration. Integral secant square x by 2 dx minus 1 dx. So equal to integral secant square x is tan x, right? That means tan here x means x by 2. Then integral of x by 2 means 1 by 2 is a constant. Integral of x is 1 minus integral 1 dx is x plus c. So this one we can write it as 1 by 2 means we need to write the reciprocal. 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c. Question number 9. Integrate cos x by 1 plus cos x. So 1 plus cos x we can write as 2 cos square x by 2. So the numerator also we need to write in terms of cos square x by 2. That means cos x we can write it as cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. So this one we can write it as cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 by 1 plus cos x we can write it as 2 cos square x by 2. Okay, next we can split the terms means what we can write cos square x by 2 by 2 cos square x by 2. That means cos square cancel means what I will get 1 by 2 minus sin square x by 2 by 2 cos square x by 2. That means 1 by 2 sin square by cos square is tan square x by 2. Tan square x by 2. Again here we can do the integration, but here it is not possible. Why? Because this is in terms of tan square. Tan square we can write it as secant square theta minus 1, right? So from here first we can take 1 by 2 is common. So what we will get 1 minus tan square x by 2. So 1 by 2 into 1 minus this tan square x by 2 what we can write secant square x by 2 minus 1 we can write. That means secant square x by 2 minus 1. So we are opening the bracket means what we will get 1 by 2 1 minus secant square x by 2 minus plus. That means 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 secant square x by 2 we will get. That means 1 by 2 minus secant square x by 2. Now we can do the integration. So integral I equal to integral cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. That means this 1 by 2 is a constant that I am writing outside. Next is separately we can apply the integration. So 2 dx minus this 1 by 2 we are writing outside means all the thing in bracket minus integral secant square x by 2 dx. Now we can write the integration answer. That means 1 by 2 bracket integral 2 dx. 2 is a constant. Integral dx is x minus integral secant square x by 2 is tan x by 2 by 1 by 2, right? Secant square is tan. Integral secant square is tan and x by 2 means 1 by 2 plus c. C is an arbitrary constant or constant of integration we can write. Now we can open the bracket with 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 2 by x means 2 and 2 will cancel x minus this one 1 by 2 into this because reciprocal means 2 tan x by 2. Again 2 cancel. What we will get tan x by 2 plus c. This is the integration answer. Question number 10. Sine power 4x. So this sine power 4x means how we can write sine square x into sine square x we can write. Correct. X square into x square is x power 4. So this one we can write it as sine square x into sine square x. So sine square x, sine square theta means how we can write 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 only, right? So here what we can write 1 minus cos 2x by 2 we can write. That means here we are applying sine square theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Sine square theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Here we are applying means this one we can write it as sine power 4x equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. Here theta is x. That means cos 2x by 2 into 1 minus cos 2x by 2 we can write. So this is 1 by 2. This is also 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 what we can write 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into this is 1 minus cos 2x into 1 minus cos 2x we can write it as 1 minus cos 2x the whole square, right? 1 minus cos 2x the whole square. So that is we can write it as Now this is in the form of a minus b the whole square. So a minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? That means here a is 1, 1 minus 2ab, 2 into 1 into cos 2x, 2 cos 2x plus b square. B square is cos square 2x. Cos square 2x we can write. So this one we can write as 1 by 4 in bracket. What is here? Which one we need to take? This one, cos square 2x. Cos square 2 theta means how we can write? Cos square x is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 only, right? Cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So this one we can write as, first we can write this one, 1 minus 2 cos 2x plus, this is here theta become 2 theta. So this 2x become 2 into 2x means how much it will come? 4x. That means 1 plus cos 4x by 2 we can write. So this is changing to, this is cos square theta we can write as 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Here 1 plus cos 2 into 2x is 4x by 2 we can write. Next step, we can split the terms also. 1 by 4 into 1 minus 2 cos 2x plus 1 by 2 plus cos 4x by 2 we can write. So this 1 plus 1 by 2, if you are simplifying means how much we will get? 3 by 2 we will get. So 1 by 4, 3 by 2 minus 2 cos 2x plus cos 4x by 2. Now we can do the integration, correct? So now we can apply the integration means I equal to integral sine power 4x. That means this value we can substitute. Here 1 by 4 is a constant that we can write outside. Then we can apply the integration separately. 1 by 4 is a constant. Integral 3 by 2 dx minus 2 is a constant. I am writing outside. Remaining is cos 2x dx plus 1 by 2 is a constant that we can write outside. Remaining is cos 4x dx. Now we can write the integral answer. That means 1 by 4 in bracket. This is 3 by 2 is a constant. So integral dx is x. That means 3x by 2 minus 2 into integral of cos x. Integral cos x is sin x. Here it is sin 2x by 2 because this one integral 2x means 2 is a constant. Integral of x is 1 plus 1 by 2. Integral cos 4x is sin 4x by 4 plus c. C is the arbitrary constant or constant of integration. So after that we can write I equal to this one 1 by 4. With 1 by 4 we can open the bracket also. So 1 into 3x is 3x by 8. 3x by 8 minus this one. This 2 and 2 will cancel. So what is remaining? Minus sin 2x by 4 minus sin 2x by 4 plus this one 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. That means 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 4 is 32. That means sin 4x by 32 plus sin 4x by 32 plus c. This is the integration answer. 3x by 8 minus sin 2x by 4 plus sin 4x by 32 plus c. Question number 11. Integrate cos power 2x. So this one how we can write? Cos square 2x into cos square 2x we can write. On the same way the last question. So this one we can write it as cos square 2x into cos square 2x. So cos square theta means how we can write? 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 only, right? Cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. That means here we can write cos power 4 2x equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta. That means 2 into 2x is 4x by 2 into 1 plus cos 4x by 2. Here we applied cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Identity only. Here we applied. Instead of cos square theta, we wrote it as 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. That means 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, we can write it as 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into, this become 1 plus cos 4x the whole square. That means a plus b the whole square. We can write it as 1 by 4 into a square. That means 1 plus 2ab. That means 2 into 1 into cos 4x plus b square. That means cos square 4x we can write. So again, this cos square theta, again we can write it as 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. That means 1 plus cos 8x by 2 we can write. So this is equal to 1 by 4, 1 plus 2 cos 4x plus 1 plus, this one we can change it as 1 plus cos 2 theta. 2 into 4x is 8x. That means cos 8x by 2 we can write. Now we can split the terms. That means 1 by 4 into 1 plus 2 cos 4x plus 1 by 2 plus cos 8x by 2. So this 1 and 1 by 2 will add, means what we will get? 3 by 2. 1 by 4, 3 by 2 plus 2 cos 4x plus cos 8x by 2. Now we can find the integral, right? So I equal to integral cos power 4 2x. That means instead of this cos power 4x, what we can write? This one we can write. So 1 by 4 is a constant that we are writing outside. Next is separately 3 by 2 is a constant, integral dx, plus 2 is a constant, integral cos 4x dx, plus 1 by 2 is a constant, integral cos 8x dx. Now we can write the integration answer. That means 1 by 4 in bracket 3 by 2, integral dx is x plus 2 into integral cos 4x. Cos 4x is sine only. That means sine 4x by 4 plus 1 by 2 into sine 8x by 8 plus c. Now we can open the bracket with the this 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 into 3 by 2 is 3 by 8. That means 3x by 8 plus this one 4 and 2 and 4 will cancel 2. 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 8. Sine 4x by 8. Sine 4x by 8 plus again 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 8 is 64. That means sine 8x by 64 plus c. Answer. Question number 12. Sine square x by 1 plus cos x. So 1 plus cos x we can write as 2 cos square x by 2. So this sine square is also we need to write in terms of this cos square. Then only we can do the simplification, right? So how we can write means this sine square x means how we can write sine x the whole square I can write, correct? Sine x the whole square by 1 plus cos x I can write it as 2 cos square x by 2. Now this sin x means how we can write? If it is sin 2 theta means we can write it as 2 sin theta cos theta, right? Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta, right? So this one is sin x. That means how we can write? 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 we can write instead of sin x, right? So this is equal to 2 sin x by 2. 2 theta half of the angle. Here theta is x, half of the angle means x by 2. 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 the whole square by 2 cos square x by 2 I can write. So this one the whole square means what is the answer we can write? 2 square is 4. This one sin square x by 2 cos square x by 2 by 2 cos square x by 2. this 2 and 4 will cancel, 2 will get, this cos square x by 2 and cos square x by 2 cancel, so what is remaining? 2 sine square x by 2 is remaining, right? 2 sine square x by 2. 2 sine square x by 2. Again, if you are taking the integral means, for sine square there is no integral, right? So which one we need to apply? Again, we need to change this sine square, right? So what is the answer of sine square theta? Sine square theta is 1 minus, sine square 2 theta is 1 minus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta only, right? So this one we can write it as 1 minus sine square 2 sine square theta, we are going to write it as 1 minus cos x, we can write 1 minus cos x. That means sine square, this angle, double of this, that means sine square theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Sine square theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 only. Here sine square x by 2, cross multiply means 2 sine square x by 2. Here we are taking double of this angle. That means 2 into x by 2 means 2 and 2 will cancel, x we will get, right? So 1 minus 2 sine square x by 2, what we can write? 1 minus cos x we can write. Correct. Sine square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Here this is not sine square x by theta. This is 2 sine square. That means cross multiply means what we will get? 2 sine square theta. 2 sine square theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta, right? That means double of the angle. 2 into x by 2 means 2 cancel, x we will write. That means instead of this one, what we can write? 1 minus cos x. Now we can do the integration. So I equal to integral sine square x by 1 plus cos x dx. That means instead of this one, what we can write? This one. That means integral 1 dx minus integral cos x dx. So integral 1 dx is x minus integral cos x is sin x plus c. And question number 13. Integrate cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha by cos x minus cos alpha. So this is in the form of cos a minus cos b. Cos a minus cos b, how we can write? Minus 2 sin a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2 we can write. That means cos a minus cos b. Cos a minus cos b means we can write it as minus sin a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2. So this identity, trigonometric identity, we can apply over here. So this one we can write as cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha equal to, this one we can write as minus 2. This is in the form of cos a minus cos b. So this one we can write as minus 2 sin a. Here a means 2x and b means 2 alpha. A plus b by 2 and sin a minus b. That means 2x minus 2 alpha by 2 the whole divided by, this is also in the form of cos a minus cos b. So this one also we can write as minus 2 sin, here a is x and b is alpha. That means x plus alpha by 2 sin x minus alpha by 2. So from here we can see that in the numerator we can take 2 common. If you are taking 2 common means what will happen? This 2 and 2 will cancel, right? So this one, then this minus 2 and minus 2 will cancel. Remaining is sin 2 cancel means what is remaining? X plus alpha. Here also if you are taking 2 common, the numerator means that 2 and this 2 will cancel. Remaining is sin x minus alpha divided by, here same only, sin x plus alpha by 2 sin x minus alpha by 2. Here also we are not able to do the integration because this is the product and division form, right? So here we can see that everything is sine only, but the angles are different. This is x plus alpha by 2, this is only x plus alpha. Here also this is x minus alpha, this is x minus alpha by 2. If the angles are same means we can cancel, right? So how we can make it same? This is sine theta, this is also sine theta. If it is sine 2 theta means how we can write 2 sine theta cos theta, right? Sine 2 theta means 2 sine theta cos theta. That means the half of the angle only we are taking. So this one we can write as 2 sine x plus alpha by 2. The same way, and 2 cos x plus alpha by 2 also I can write. So this one only I am going to change. So the first one, this one I am changing. Sine theta, that means 2 sine theta. That means half of this angle. 2 theta become theta. So here also we need to write half. That means x plus alpha by 2. Then sine theta cos theta. Cos theta is also half of the angle, means x plus alpha by 2. Next, here also we need to apply. This is also in the form of sine theta. Here theta is x minus alpha. That means 2 into sine half of the angle. 2 theta become theta means here also half of the angle, means x minus alpha by 2 cos x minus alpha by 2 we can write. This is for first second sine of x minus alpha. This is for the first sine of x plus alpha. The whole divided by sine x plus alpha by 2 sine x minus alpha by 2 we can write. So here we can multiply this one. Sine x plus alpha by 2, sine x plus alpha by 2 cancel. Sine x minus alpha by 2, sine x minus alpha by 2 cancel. Remaining is 2 into 2 is 4 cos x plus alpha by 2 and cos x minus alpha by 2 is remaining. So again we can see that this is in the form of cos A cos B. Cos A cos B means how we can write cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B, the whole divided by 2 we can write. Correct. So here we are applying cos A cos B. Cos A cos B means 1 by 2 into cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. So this identity we can apply over here. So this equation becomes, so this is equal to 4 into this 1 by 2. 4 into 1 by 2 cos A cos B. This is A is x plus alpha by 2, B is x minus alpha by 2. Cos of A plus B. That means 1 by 2 into cos of A plus B. I am writing this one in the bracket. A plus B means x plus alpha by 2 plus B is x minus alpha by 2. Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. A is x plus alpha by 2 minus B is x minus alpha by 2. That we need to write in bracket. X minus alpha by 2. The whole thing in bracket. The main bracket also we are closing. So this one. This 4 and 2 will cancel, means what we will get? 2. So 2 into here. No need to write the bracket because this is a product. No, this is plus only, right in between. Okay. Denominator is same, means what will happen? We can add the numerator. So x plus x is 2x. Alpha minus alpha is 0. That means cos 2x by 2 plus here cos minus of only, but denominator is same, means directly we can do the subtraction. X minus x is 0. Alpha minus minus alpha, that means minus minus plus means 2 alpha by 2. So this is equal to 2 into 2x. This 2 and 2 will cancel, means what is remaining? Cos x, plus here also 2 and 2 will cancel, means remaining is cos alpha. Now we can do the integration. So I equal to integral cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha dx. So here we can write the 2 outside, that means 2 is a constant, in bracket integral cos x dx plus integral cos alpha dx. So 2 into integral cos x is sin x plus this cos alpha is a constant that we need to write outside. So integral dx is x. That means 2 into the constant of integration, arbitrary constant or constant of integration plus c, also we need to write sin x plus x cos alpha plus c. Answer.